Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link on your bio within the TikTok application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be able to scroll through the various different feeds, even if you haven't logged in. So make sure that you are logged into your account first by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and logging into your account from the various different options. After you have logged into your account, in order to add any link to your bio, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right once again, and you will be taken to your profile page. Just tap on Edit Profile and you will find your bio section. Tap on the bio and you can immediately make any changes. Just type in any link that you want to include within your bio and then tap on the Save button, and your bio will immediately be changed and you will see the link that you have added to your bio right away. You can also add links to your social accounts such as your Instagram and your YouTube by tapping on these options and then by logging into your account on Facebook, on YouTube or Instagram. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a link to your bio on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.